What is up to all my furry friends on YouTube? Today I am going to show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on iPhone. This works for all variations and types of iPhones, and it's actually quite simple to do. What you're going to do is you're going to look for the Settings app on your iPhone. It should be on the home page here. As you can see on my phone, it may be in a slightly different spot. Click on that Settings app and you will see the second option down from the top for Wi-Fi, and you could see that it is specified I am not connected. If you click on that, you will see the green lever is switched to green for Wi-Fi, and you will see all these different networks that I could connect to. I just chose a random network here. This one is a locked network, so you will need a username and password to connect to it, but there are free Wi-Fi networks you could also connect to that will connect you right away. There's also an option to disable Wi-Fi if you would like. Just tap on it. It disables the Wi-Fi and it switches you onto your cellular data. And then you tap the Wi-Fi back on and it will give you all those different options for places that you could connect to the Wi-Fi and different networks that you could connect to. There's also an alternative option. If you swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, you will see that there is a little Wi-Fi icon in the control center right next to the airplane mode button. I am turning it on and off just so you could see exactly what I'm doing there, but that is also another simple shortcut to turn on Wi-Fi or enable it or disable it strictly from the control center by swiping down on the top right of the screen. That is basically all there is to it to connecting to Wi-Fi. It is quite simple, but if you do have any other questions or if your Wi-Fi network isn't popping up, please leave a comment down below and I will try to get back and reply and assist to all comments, and subscribe if you did find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.